Hi, I'm Dr. Reed Stevens, and I'm a practicing veterinarian in Buffalo, New York. And I'll be demonstrating the all-new Tono-Vera Vet Tonometer from Reichert Technologies. The Tono-Vera Vet Tonometer features the advanced ActiView positioning system, which quickly guides you to the center of the cornea, giving you confidence in your intraocular pressure readings. It utilizes rebound tonometry technology to obtain interocular pressure without the need for topical anesthesia. The lightweight ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, and the large screen located on the back of the device provides a view of the IOP results, making it convenient for both left and right-handed users. Underneath the screen, there are 3 multifunction buttons that provide easy access to all the settings and measurement functions. The Tono-Vera Vet has 2 battery model options, rechargeable and standard AA. The rechargeable model ensures your device will be fully charged and ready to use when you are. The standard AA model provides convenience for the mobile veterinarian. The simple cartridge design makes it easy to switch out batteries with no additional tools. The rechargeable and AA battery packs are interchangeable, providing ultimate flexibility. The multi-purpose Tono-Vera Vet base comes standard, and it serves as a convenient location to secure your Tono-Vera Vet when not in use. For the Tono-Vera Vet rechargeable model, the base charges the device so it is always ready to use. The base also conveniently stores and dispenses the OcuDot tonometer probes. To install the box of probes, simply open the box and lay the flap along the side. Install the box with the tray facing forward, then push the tray all the way to the front. OcuDot tonometer probes are single-use and sanitized to prevent the risk of cross-contamination. Loading a new OcuDot probe is easy. Power on the Tono-Vera Vet. The screen will then prompt you to load a new OcuDot probe. Remove the cap from the OcuDot probe tube and insert the end of the tube into the chamber. Rotate the unit up so that the OcuDot probe slides into place. Conveniently store the probe tube in the base recess while you're taking a measurement. And now you're ready to take a measurement using the Tono-Vera Vet with ActiView positioning system. With ActiView positioning system, obtaining IOP measurements is fast, easy, and reliable. First, select the species you are going to measure. The current selected species appears in the top left corner of the screen. To change the current selection, simply press the center multifunction button to access the menu. The first screen that will appear is the species selection screen. From there, you are able to scroll through the different options: cat, horse, rabbit, or dog. Now that your species is selected, it's time to take a measurement. The on-screen ActiView positioning system helps guide you to the apex of the cornea. The Tono-Vera Vet always starts measuring on the right eye, shown as OD. A blue circle indicates the active eye currently being measured. The interactive color rings help you achieve proper distance and centration. If the ring is small or yellow, you are too far away, off-center, or both. If the ring is red, you're too close, and you'll hear a beep. If the ring is green, you have successfully achieved the proper distance and centration. Once aligned, Tono-Vera Vet will automatically take a measurement. You can rotate the device 360 degrees around the OcuDot probe and measure within a probe angle of plus or minus 15 degrees. To ensure that the probe is within the required range, there are probe angle indicators on the screen. The probe angle indicators will be yellow if the probe angle is too high or too low, and will be green when the probe angle is within the correct range. When properly positioned, the Tono-Vera Vet takes an IOP measurement automatically. The measurement dots will fill in as each measurement is taken. Reliable IOP results can be obtained in a single measurement, which reduces stress on pets. The color of the ring indicates the reliability of the measurement. A green ring means you have a high confidence result. A yellow ring means you have a low confidence result. If you see an orange ring with an arrow inside it, this indicates that you should retake the measurement. The Tono-Vera Vet is equipped with Bluetooth, so you can quickly and easily send IOP results to your electronic medical records. You can clear out measurements for a single eye or clear out all the measurements at any time. To clear out all the measurements, press the clear button indicated by the X on the screen. Easily and safely store all the items you need for a mobile exam in a convenient, durable Tono-Vera Vet carry case. The carry case stores OcuDot tonometer probes, charging cords, training aid, and USB containing the quick start guide and instructions for use. The Tono-Vera Vet is my preferred tonometer for getting fast, reliable results with a single measurement, and allows for a less stressful exam for our patients. The Tono-Vera Vet Tonometer by Reichert Technologies. The right measurement, right away.